that. That should be enough pages. This little book is going to be, gonna be fat enough. Front cover. Oh no, there they go. Back cover. And then I have to sew all these guys. I love this. This is actually a combination of acrylic and tempera paint put on cardboard for Mod Podge over it. Drink mix box. And then I sealed the cardboard and the box together with Mod Podge, coated them all over. And then that is beeswaxed thread. I wish I'd done two of the same cover, but I like the combo of the purple and the red, and then those together. Voila. Whew, that took a lot of time. So many things, so many colors to choose from. Ooh, lots of stuff. I got plenty. This little guy. I'm on the home stretch. I'm almost done with my pages, and I forgot to video because I was concentrating. But so far, some pretty cute ones, some interesting ones. I have to glue them together still, like these. This thread is a little thin, and so I've been battling it. It's probably not meant to do this. I've marked the stitches that I like. There's been a lot of oops, like this stuff does not work real great. The little ones don't work, and that definitely doesn't work. But I tried that one, that was a bomb. That one didn't go so hot either, but some of these did really well. I think, we'll see. I just did my last little set of pages. These guys are all ready to glue. These are from yesterday, and I was concentrating on not knotting my thread. But yeah, vast improvement. I got that knotted up a few times, and then this got wound around too tightly and got snagged right there. So it was a little bit of battle, and I kept smelling my machine to make sure it wasn't burning. Stop biting me. Jay, stop. All right. There's one. That's a lot of glue, but this one's staying together. I just need them sticky enough so that they stick together, and then I'm going to sew them all as one page when I bind. Oops, bind the book. Okay. Scoot that like so. When you're desperate to use the rest of your glue stick, because you don't have any more. I got two that I have run out so far doing this. So I am going to use my finger. That should hold. Good enough, at least. I can make it. I can make it. Oh my gosh, it's like sticking everywhere. There we go. A lot of little pages. Okay. Oops. They all have holes, all ready to go. That's gonna be huge. Okay, there is the front. And there is the back. Oh, it is definitely really, really fat. It's like a little sewing sandwich. One of these on your wall?
Except I would have a do they need to be a specific material?
What are you talking about? This is cardboard and trash. So
I think it looks cool.
oh, sweet.